for your interview. How are you liking your lunch?
Wonderful.
And you, darling?
Good. Oh, let me tell you something. Uncle Jesse, burp. It's so loud. He just did it again. He did it again.
Ew.
He did it again. Oh, that makes me cute. It's just, it's like,
Are you alright?
I think I'm gonna be.
Uncle Jesse. He's just like Elf, huh?
Yeah.
What should he say?
Excuse me.
Uh-huh. Didn't even say that before. Yeah.
Excuse me.
Oh my gosh.
That's not good.
Ew.
It's just gonna be a good so funny.
Grody.
So much air in there.
We're burping Eric's face.
No.
I'm glad Mom and Dad. He did enough.
What do you say? You're glad Mom and Dad what?
I'm going here because that would be wow, that's a lot of burps.
What did they say? Uncle Jesse.
Yeah. I'm glad I'm not gonna do that. I'm not gonna drink all that and when he drank all that to make it
No, it's not the milkshake. That won't do that. No, she's not gonna drink the milkshake. He's doing it just to be funny.
No, not all. No. He's not.
Uncle Jesse, what do you have to say for yourself?
Get the camera away.
Kelly, the milkshake won't make you burp like that.
Then what did?
Ask Uncle Jesse.
French fries.